A lot of stocks that are buzzing in trade today, most of them based on earnings reaction. But let me first take you through the stocks that are buzzing based on news. And first up is Just Dial. That particular counter has seen its biggest intraday move since March 18th. It is at its highest level since January 30th. UBS has a positive note on the company. They're saying that the demo launch of its B2B platform JD Mart was better than they had actually expected. They are saying that successful sales strategy execution could result in a significant re-rating for Just Dial as per their view. They are also saying that the Just Dial trades at 13 times FY22 estimates P compared to 60 times for India Mart. That is suggesting the market is actually ignoring JD Mart's potential to become a relevant B2B platform. So based on that positive note, you have Just Dial that is surging in trade today. It is the fourth day of gain coming in for Just Dial. Moving on, you have L&T that's gaining over 3.5%. It's at its highest level since September 8th. Now you had the NHRCL say that L&T has emerged as the lowest bidder for design constructions for the 237-kilometer viaduct for 708-kilometer Mumbai to Ahmedabad high-speed rail. That is why the stock is surging in trade today. Apart from that, you have Hindustan Copper. That stock has surged most in about 15 weeks. It's trading at over 10% gains intraday. Reports indicate that the government may be considering a strategic divestment of Hindustan Copper to achieve its disinvestment target for FY21. Reports also mention that Niti Aayog Vice Chairman Rajiv Kumar to chair a meeting on October 27th to discuss the strategic sale for the counter. The stock is up for the third straight session. Let me now take you through the stocks that are actually moving based on earnings reaction. First up, I'll talk about Tata Metallics. That particular counter has hit 7-month high. It's gained over 7% intraday. Right now, it has cooled off from that level. The company posted a near four-fold jump in its Q2 profit, and the stock is up for a sixth straight session. Apart from that, you have Borosil Renewables, a smaller company. It surged over 20% in trade today. That is its biggest intraday jump in since June 4th. The stock is on track for a third straight gaining session, as well as it is at its highest levels in 13 weeks. It logged a profit of about 14 crore rupees versus a loss of about 2 crore rupees a year ago. So that is why Borosil Renewables is gaining. Rallis India is near its 4-month low on back of its Q2 earnings. Analysts say the international business continues to drag the overall performance for the company. Britannia has fallen most in about 7 months post Q2 earnings. No doubt their PAT was in line with estimates. You had margins that were above estimates, but it was sales that has dragged, and that's what the analysts have taken note as well. Oberoi Realty is gaining most in about 6 months. It's up over 13% in trade today. Jefferies has maintained a buy rating after the company reported Q2 earnings. They're saying that they have hiked their target also for Oberoi Realty to 483 rupees per share from 457 rupees per share. They're saying the realty company saw good recovery in Q2, and their outlook also, they're optimistic on their outlook ahead as well. The stock is up for a third straight session. So these are the counters that are actually buzzing in trade today, and most of them, as you can see, are based on the earnings reaction.